This case study shows how a private swim school achieved a 128% increase in return on ad spend, or ROAS, using AI-powered Google search ads. The client is a service-based business focused on personalized instruction, with a business goal of booking local private swimming lessons. The customer lifetime value is $3,500 per customer. The challenge was that while the agency achieved decent results with Performance Max campaigns, their cost per customer remained high, and the return on investment needed improvement. Our strategy involved an AI-driven, long-tail, search-only Google Ads campaign. The objectives were to reach high-intent searchers, reduce acquisition cost, and eliminate low-value placements common in PMax to improve profitability and scalability. The results demonstrate that AI-powered Google search ads offered 2.3 times better performance than PMax. They ran concurrent campaigns to measure results. Although the ad spend was significantly lower for the AI campaign, the immediate return on ad spend increased from $8.85 in sales for every $1 in ad spend to $20.21 to $1, a 128% increase versus PMax. This led to a reduced customer acquisition cost of 56%, going from $625 per new customer to $272. Google search ads, when done properly, deliver consistent, immediate results on any sized budget regardless of business category. With organic clicks from Google being seriously diminished, this strategy is the best possible way to optimize for search and create a steady stream of new customers for any business. When you consider the customer's lifetime value of $3,500, the total lifetime value from the acquired customers was $66,500. This resulted in a lifetime return on ad spend of $38.64 in sales to $1 invested. The AI-powered, long-tail keywords campaign reduced the cost per click by over 75% and increased conversions by 128%. This approach can work for any business, on any sized budget, that is looking for increased sales and new customers. If you're not running AI-driven Google Ads today, you're missing out on the best returns out there.